Hello everyone. For our next drawing, cut a circular paper in half and then fold it over as shown. Make a somewhat conical shape and stick the edges. Then add googly eyes on top and add a cute little mouth. Now repeat this process and stick it multiple times on a white sheet of paper. Add tentacles on each of these triangular shapes for each of the drawings. Now you have got yourself many squids in various colors underwater. You may add bubbles and other things like that to make it look like an underwater scenario. Add some baby fish as well to make it look more underwater realistic. For our next drawing, take a base sheet of paper and add shapes that look like clouds. And now cut these shapes out. However, don't completely cut them out, just line them out. Have a drawn basket ready in another sheet and once again cut it out with one line cut out. Attach this basket on the top of the base sheet and then cut out some vegetables and add it in each of the cutouts in the main sheet of paper. This will give a very 3D effect. For our next drawing, take a yellow sheet of paper and draw a shape and add checks to the shape. Now cut out this drawn shape that we have made and make it into a cone. It is made to resemble an ice cream cone. Stick the edges so that it does not come out. Next, take another strip of paper. You can take any color that you want. We have chosen to make a triangular shape and add any fruit of your choice. We have chosen strawberries. Make another cone out of this shape and attach it to the bigger beige cone that we have already made. Stick it so that it does not come out. Next, take a light pink sheet of paper or any other color that you want depending on the flavor of ice cream that you want to make. Fold it over 2 times as shown above and then fold it over a third time to make a triangle. Now, open this triangular shape and you will see that it forms many different cuts. Fold it as shown above and draw different shapes on it. We have chosen to make lines as such and shade it in different colors of pink. Roll it over as shown and then twist it, and this is meant to resemble the scoop of an ice cream. We have chosen to make strawberry ice cream and you may choose any color that you want. Stick the edges so that it does not come off. Now put this into the cone and you have yourself an ice cream. You may add waffle sticks as well and even a strawberry in the top. For our next craft, we will cut a cup into half and now stick it on a white sheet of paper. Cut out leaves and add strips on the cup. Next, we will add a balloon on top to make it look like a hot air balloon and decorate it as we please. We will color in the cup in beige to make it look like a hot air balloon. The details are what makes every drawing beautiful. We have chosen to add in hearts and clouds. You may choose to do whatever you may like. You can even add some birds. We have colored in our clouds with blue and there you have it. A cute little hot air balloon with dots all over. A little girl. Thank you for watching.